Hey guys, hope you're having a lovely day. I'm in the middle of filming this makeup look. I mean, I nearly finished. I just need to apply lippy. But before I apply lippy, I thought I'm gonna quickly review this Too Faced Lip Injections Maximum Plump Lip Plumping Gloss. Now, with all be honest, I did try it in the past, the Too Faced Lip Plumping Gloss, but I never tried the Maximum Plump. And the one that I tried before definitely worked. I tried quite a few, actually, the plumping glosses in the past. All the videos are up on my channel, and you guys seem to really like that kind of videos. So, you know what? I thought I'm gonna give a go and try this Maximum Plump Lip Injections by Too Faced. Okay, this is how my lips looks just now. Let's see how it's gonna look after. I think for this review, how about applying all over? I'll apply on a half lid that way, so we can see if the half gonna plump up or no. How about that? I never done this before, so I thought, you know, we can try this. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh, this one is a pink color. The last one I tried was completely see-through. I don't think anywhere it says it's pink. Does it say any color? No, it just says Maximum Plump. It smells very nice. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna apply on that side only. Let's just try. I'm a bit scared. I'm sure it's gonna sting because most of the time these kind of things sting. So, okay. So I have in the middle of my lip in here a stitching scar. Like I had the stitches when I was a child. So I'm gonna be applying exactly till the middle, till my scar. You know what? I'm gonna give it a minute or so to dry and then I'll come back to you. Okay, you guys, can you see my lips? Like this side getting more red and kinda a bit swollen. Like a minute past or so. I'm gonna wait another few minutes. So far, something's happening. It's really stinging, by the way. Like, really stinging. But because this is not the first time I'm trying the lip plumping gloss, I kinda know what to expect. So I'm not, you know, like, oh my god, it's painful. Because I know what can happen, but I hope you guys see something's happening. For sure. Guys, this is 3 minutes later. Something's definitely happening to my lips. Even this part went down a bit. This is like way much plumpier. Definitely works for sure. Like I can see the difference. Is it better than the original Too Faced lip injections? I like to be honest, I don't think so. I think it works exactly the same, it's just different name, but I might be wrong, who knows? I need to apply now on this side. Wow, even when I'm smiling, look at that. Like, this side is pulling because my lips feels like so dry and all, and this side is just so plumpy. So even when I'm smiling, this is... It looks a bit like it's swollen. I mean, look at that. Okay, this definitely works. I applied it all over my lips now instead of just half. And oh my god, the stinging is real. Look at my eyes, it's watering. That's how much it's stinging. Like, I'm not exaggerating it. Yeah. It stings. Oh my god. Okay. Like when I applied on the half, it wasn't as stinging as it is all over because now it definitely looks plumpier to what I see in the mirror, and I know how my lips looks normally, so I can see the difference. Does this work? Definitely does. I mean, you can see results for yourselves. Is it painful? It's definitely stinging. If you're looking for lip plumping gloss, this works, you guys. The result in front of your eyes. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching this. If you would like to see more similar videos or you would like me to review something else, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Let me know if you tried already this one, or maybe you tried like I did the original one, because I can't really tell the difference. I feel like it just does exactly the same thing. Yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, and I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.